Circular component pattern in SolidWorks assembly. These are the our lower part of ball bearing, inner part, inner ring, and this is the ball for bearing. So let's see, first we will create some relation. Select this inside and select the ball. There is a tangent relation, okay. Now we will see what exactly circular pattern. Just drop down the menu, circular component pattern. Select. Now select any circular way. Clear. You have to select here. First parameter, you have to select any circular path. This circular path we selected, or anything you can select. 360 degree. Select this component to pattern, select the ball. Now here you can select number of components. See, 6 number equal spacing, 360 degree. Select OK. Now see, we created 8 number of balls with the help of circular component pattern. Right click on edit feature. Here one option is instances to skip. If you want to skip any ball, just click on the ball, this one or this one. 2 balls we selected, 3. Select OK. Now see, we skip 3 balls. So this is very useful tool.